Hey guys, it's Denise, and I have something exciting to share with you. I've been dreaming up a way to bring more beauty, more confidence, and more good hair energy into everyday life. And it's finally happening. The Good Hair Energy Box is coming. It's a monthly subscription box filled with a full-sized hair product, a travel size must-have that you can either take on a trip or toss in your gym bag, a hair tool or an accessory, and a monthly affirmation sticker to lift your energy and your hair routine. Plus, you're going to get personalized hair care tips on how to use what's in your box from me. And for the first Founders Box, I'm including something special. An exclusive one-time run t-shirt printed with our go-to phrase, know better, do better. Be one of only 100 people to have this tee. Yep, that's right. Only 100 Founders Boxes will be available. If you want early access before I announce it anywhere else, head to denisekailitz.com/waitlist. It only takes a moment to sign up, and you'll be the first in line when the Good Hair Energy Box opens. I can't wait for you to experience this. And remember, when you know better, you do better. Well, hey there, and welcome to Straight from the Stylist Chair. This is a special Q&A series here on All About Hair. I'm your host, Denise Keilitz, and I'm here to answer the real questions clients ask in the salon so you can feel confident and love every visit. Welcome back to Straight from the Stylist Chair. This is the mini-series where I answer your top salon questions. Today's question is, can color damage be repaired? So you had a little too much fun with bleach or color and now your hair feels fried. Let's talk about repairing it, okay? Many people think that once their hair is damaged, it's a lost cause. Well, sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. It depends on the damage that's been done and how far damaged it is. So quick fix products over-promise. Let me just tell you that. And people give up when one mask doesn't work. Well, because that's a lot to ask of one mask, because you need to rebuild a lot of things that happened in your hair. So while true structural damage can't be totally undone, we can actually rebuild bonds, strengthen with protein and moisture treatments. We can trim the split ends, and we can cut back on heat to restore softness and shine. However, this takes time and it takes patience. It could happen within a few weeks. Yes, it just depends on how often you're doing these masks. There are a few masks that I know of that work unbelievably well at doing this. And yes, Euphoria has a mask that it really does work. We've seen it do incredible things on hair. So don't be fooled. You don't have to cut your all your hair off. Your hair can look and feel dramatically healthier in the right hands with the right product, even after it's been damaged. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope today's chat helps you walk into your next appointment feeling totally confident. For more tips and stories, keep listening to the full All About Hair podcast and grab the free resource in the show notes. Until next time, I'll save you a seat in the chair.